Are they kidding me? They're talking about Poocoin. Okay, why would you name yourself that? Oh, wait a minute. They got a video down here. Let's see what we've got here. Let's see.
Welcome to Poocoin.app, an advanced charting and wallet management tool on the Binance Smart Chain network. Poocoin provides real-time charting and transaction data, providing a clear line of sight across your DeFi tokens, saving you time, minimizing hassle, and maximizing your returns. Think of us as like the Google of Binance Smart Chain. By simply pasting the token contract code in our search bar, traders can instantly check the charts, watch the live trades, and take full advantage of new opportunities. In addition to these more obvious features, our site offers you a number of free and innovative tools to help you on your trading journey. Want to get in on a new token before the masses? Skip the waiting game and let Poocoin do it for you. Our Ape feature scans for new token launches in real time. This way, you will be the first to participate, and if it's successful, reap the highest rewards from these tokens. Buying new tokens can be profitable, but there are many scams out there, known as rug pulls. Our rug check tool allows you to check the legitimacy of the new token you are buying, designed to help you make smart choices, and hopefully allowing you peace of mind that your investments are safe and secure. In addition, our toilet tool allows you to check in on your pending yields in platforms like PancakeSwap, so monitoring compounding your yields becomes effortless. Our trending feature gives users a unique look at the hottest tokens on the BSC network. And if you hadn't guessed by the name, Poocoin is also a token itself. 4% of every Poocoin transaction is distributed to our holders. Buying and holding the Poocoin token allows you to invest in our future, getting a piece of one of the most visited, fastest growing projects on DeFi, while also receiving passive income through our dividends feature. Additionally, holding gives you the chance to take advantage of a number of exciting premium tools on the Poocoin site. By providing liquidity and creating a Poo BNB LB pair, you can access a range of additional features on our site, based on several tiers. Our top 10 liquidity providers also have the chance to promote their desired token in Poocoin vetted list, offering them unprecedented exposure to their project. Poocoin will continue to implement new premium features and tools as time passes. We pride ourselves as the go-to destination for Binance Smart Chain traders for many years to come. But don't just take our word for it. Try out the tech for yourself. Head over to Poocoin.app, connect your wallet, and start taking advantage of free features. And if you like, why not grab yourself some Poocoin tokens? Support the project and join tens of thousands of savvy traders on an adventure into a sweet-smelling future.
Well, it looks like Poocoin might have something to it, even if it has a terrible name. We might want to check this one out. This is Crypto Big Boss. I hope you've enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, and share. And I'll catch you on the next one.